As an anti-money laundering or AML, financial crime investigator, or financial OSINT researcher, you should be familiar with keywords and phrases you will encounter. #Bill on LinkedIn is pleased to present to you the 25 most commonly used AML words and phrases. While this list does not cover every single word or phrase, it will provide you with necessary basics as you continue your AML and fin crime learning journey. As a bonus for completing this video, 5 additional words or phrases have been included. Enjoy the 30 most commonly used words and phrases used by AML, financial crime, and financial OSINT researchers. Money laundering, the process of disguising the proceeds of illegal activities as legitimate funds. Fraud, a deception intentionally practiced in order to secure unfair or unlawful gain. Embezzlement, the act of stealing or misusing funds that have been entrusted to one's care. Insider trading, the illegal practice of buying or selling securities based on information that is not publicly available. Cybercrime, criminal activities that are committed using the internet or other forms of digital communication. Bribery, the act of giving or accepting something of value in exchange for influence or favor. Extortion, the act of obtaining something through force or threats. Racketeering, the act of participating in an enterprise, such as a corporation, through a pattern of criminal activity. Tax evasion, the illegal non-payment or underpayment of taxes. Counterfeiting, the act of producing or using fake or counterfeit items, such as currency or documents. Forgery, the act of making a false document or altering a genuine one with the intent to deceive. Ponzi scheme, a fraudulent investment scheme where returns are paid to earlier investors using the investments of newer investors. Market manipulation, the act of artificially altering the supply or demand of securities or commodities in order to influence prices. Financial statement fraud, the act of intentionally misstating or omitting information in financial statements in order to deceive others. Trade-based money laundering, a method of money laundering that involves the use of trade transactions to conceal the proceeds of illegal activities. Suspicious Activity Report, SAR, a report that financial institutions are required to file with the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, if they suspect that a transaction may be related to money laundering or terrorism financing. Know Your Customer, KYC, a process used by financial institutions to verify the identity of their clients and assess their potential risks from money laundering or financing terrorism. Anti-money laundering, AML, measures taken to prevent and combat money laundering. Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, a government agency that receives and analyzes suspicious activity reports, SARs, and other financial information to detect and prevent money laundering and terrorism financing. Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is not backed by a central authority. Compliance, the act of following rules and regulations, particularly in the financial industry. Risk assessment, the process of identifying and evaluating potential risks to an organization. Due diligence, the investigation or auditing of a company or individual to confirm the accuracy of financial statements and other information. Investigative techniques, the methods and processes used to gather and analyze evidence in a financial crime investigation. Evidence collection and analysis, the process of gathering and examining evidence in order to establish the facts of a case. As a bonus, here are 5 additional words and phrases that you will need to be familiar with. Layering is the process of disguising the origin of money by transferring it through multiple accounts or companies. A shell company is a type of company that has no significant assets or operations, but may be used for financial manipulation. Enhanced due diligence is the process of thoroughly vetting customers and transactions to identify potential financial crimes or other risks. Hawala is an informal value transfer system based on trust and relationships, typically used in the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia. Adverse media refers to any information about a person or organization that may be negative or damaging to their reputation. Thank you for watching this video. #Bill on LinkedIn, Twitter @RichCallahan3.